In this video, I'll detail how to turn off Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9, whether the 41mm or 45mm, GPS or GPS and cellular, then this video is going to walk you through the steps you need to take to turn off your Apple Watch Series 9. Mark you, there are two ways you can use to turn off Apple Watch Series 9, whether you're using Watch OS 11 or you're using Watch OS 10. Now the first one to do is just press the icon once to go to the app menu. On the app menu, click on settings. Then on the settings page, just scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to general. Then click on general. Then after that, scroll down to the bottom. And then locate shutdown. Tap that. Then here, you just need to click on the shutdown icon at the top right. Now to turn off your Apple Watch Series 9, just slide power off like this. And then let it go. So this is going to power off your Apple Watch Series 9. So this is how you can easily turn off Apple Watch Series 9 via the settings page. Alternatively, or the quickest way to turn off Apple Watch Series 9 is press and hold it for like 5 seconds. Then once you feel the haptics, just go ahead and tap the turn off button at the top right. Now slide power off to turn off your Apple Watch Series 9. And once you slide that, let it go. Then your Apple Watch Series 9 will now turn off. So that's how you can easily turn off Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.